Hello guys, I decided to publish video tutorial because I see lots of improvements in Blender 2.79.6 from January 2019, the newest compilation which you can download from Blender developers. I will show you because don't download the Blender 2.70b because there is experimental version. This version is stable, it contains new features. I will show you which one. First of all, I have to disable not mirror but subdivision surface to show you what they added. For example, I will delete that polygon face. They added something cool to it. If you go to mesh, there was option clean up added. They added fill holes. This wasn't existing in this version. Another cool feature I will show you in a minute. Just give me a few seconds. I have to slide this. Control edge slide. Don't worry, wait for me. We will turn on subdivision surface. They added new feature called edge split. Now I don't have to add modifier edge split. If you use edge split, this will be sharp. As you can see, my mouth are sharp when I added modifier edge split. Oh, gotcha. My dog is panicking always when it hears something. It's always panicking. Okay, what next? Control edge split. As you can see, my mouth are perfectly sharp when I added edge split option. You didn't have to add the edge split modifier because they added to as a polygonal tool. Okay. Another cool thing what they added is, I talked before but I will talk once again. 2D follow. For brush, you can grab whole polygon object instead. If you deselect, this will only grab certain amount of polygon object, only single vertex, as you can see. If you check again, you can grab almost whole polygon, but make sure you select one of the brush shapes. Oh, there is something feather they added. What it tells us. Oh, this is quite nice. This is like feather. This is quite interesting. This helps us to make sure brush grabs the proper amount of polygon. I will change brush preset. As you can see how this performs very well. Also, 2D follow applies to smooth. I have to check if they added another thing, because in Blender 2.79 I could align and pivot to object. I don't know if they added. I don't know if they added this. I have to check. Probably they didn't add this yet. I cannot find this. Oh, this is nothing to do. If you use cursor to select it, there should be option like surface, but they didn't. They didn't probably add this to Blender, to that version of Blender. Okay, I just try to find I think there are other some improvements as well. Control F, what they added has changed a lot. Before you use the fill hole option, you used to use make edge face instead. Now they added in option clean up. I need to assign shortcut keyboard for this. Of course, if this is possible. Yes, they added what else? Faces. I have to check if they added something new to faces. Edges. This edge split I showed you. Edge data. You have to go to edge data to use crease option. This controls sharpness of your edges in subdivision surface modifier. Probably some bug fixes as well. Control A, you go to edge data, and now you can use edge crease, but make sure you use this option. I have to use for my nose. Control A, edge crease. You can control how sharp it will be. I would add some extra geometry to it. I really like edge split option. Control A, edge split. My mouth now look more realistic with this option added. I hope you like this video.